You are welcome to episode 73. This episode, we want to look at trigonometry as a topic. From our previous episode, we learned thoroughly on coordinate geometry. But this time around, we want to change our antenna towards trigonometric functions. Trigonometry stand on three tripod stand, which are the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of an angle. It revolves through right angle triangle as shown below. So we have the right angle triangle. We have theta. This theta is called reference angle. The opposite is the line facing the reference angle, while hypotenuse is the line facing the 90 degree, or you call it the longest side of a right angle triangle, or the longest side of right angle triangle. Then we have the adjacent. So the adjacent is the third line away from reference angle. It can also be the one facing this alpha away from reference angle. Reference angle is a given angle in a particular trigonometrical function, while the adjacent is the third line, which may face the angle away from the reference angle. So after you might have choose the opposite, the next line to it is adjacent. Then this adjacent has various implications, in that if you have the opposite facing the reference angle and you have the hypotenuse being the longest side, then the third line will be invariably the adjacent. So we can also determine other trigonometrical functions. So we have this one. We can determine other trigonometrical function from that end. So this is our reference angle. This is right angle triangle. This one is hypotenuse. This is opposite because it faces directly to the reference angle, while the third one will be adjacent. Now, to derive other one, there is what we call cosecant. Cosecant theta is just 1 over sine theta, which is written in short form cosec theta. Then we also have secant, which is 1 over cos theta, or invariably you call it sec theta. Then we also have cotangent theta. Cotangent theta. This cotangent theta is 1 over tan theta, and its short form is simply cot theta. So that's where we are going to draw the curtain on this episode. We want to be taking it little by little, bit by bit, so that you can understand it better. That's why I start from the scratch. Next episode, we are going to be looking at how we can form some formulas in trigonometrical function using the sine, the cosine, and tangent as our three tripod stand on which trigonometry depend on. Stay tuned and continue to share our video as more of this revealing function will be given to us one after the other. Thank you and God bless.